Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to make smooth text subtitles in Premiere Pro. Well, this is very simple. The first thing we have to do is to go to the effects and we have to look for morph cut. So we're going to drag this morph cut to the center of two text and we have to make double click and we have to change the duration for 5 frames. So it will be very short. So as you can see, it morphs actually. It's very cool. Well, the second step to make it look cooler, we have to go to the project and we have to make right click, new item, adjustment layer. So you drag the adjustment layer here, then you have to go to effects and you have to go to find the directional blur. You paste it on the adjustment layer, then you have to put the direction at 90 degrees. Now we have to cut the adjustment layer upon a morph cut. We have to press adjustment layer, and at the beginning of the adjustment layer you have to enable the clock on blur length. Then you have to go to the center of the adjustment layer and then you have to change it for 15. Then you go back to the blur length and you restore to 0 in the end of the morph cut. So as you can see, it makes a very cool effect. And then the only thing you have to do is to copy this adjustment layer upon every morph cut. As well as you can see, the effect is pretty cool and make smoother your animation on the subtitles. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like and press the bell in the subscription button. Easy way.